Barvina is an American social media star who has earned popularity through the lip-syncing app TikTok. Her parents Veronica and Terrace managed her social media accounts. Barvina came into the limelight after individual TikTok videos go viral on social media. She posted a blog about visiting the Dominican Republic in 2015. Barvina is considered as one of the prime influencers in the USA and has collaborated with several commercial ads. She is famous for publishing relationship advice, lifestyle and friend tag videos on her Barvina channel. She was born on August 12, 2005 in Russia. She and fellow influencer Anna Pavega were both born in Russia. She is one of the successful YouTube star. She is one of the richest YouTube star who was born in Russia. She and fellow influencer Anna Pavega were both born in Russia. She is currently single. She is not dating anyone. We don't have much information about she has past relationship and any previous engaged.